Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Conflux. Had to do an update. I mean, right now it's it's been doing good. All right, I followed this on Friday when there was quite a lot of bullish momentum in the markets, and what you saw back then is that Conflux was already gaining quite a lot of momentum. Now we'll talk about that momentum, and here you can also clearly see it. All right, so the momentum already went up quite a bit on Friday. So that's what I saw. I never entered because I always think that Conflux is a bit manipulated. I mean, just looking at this price action right here, there are some moves which I deem questionable. Some were just market-wide moves, so it's not the end of the world. But I always do think that Conflux is partially manipulated. Now, on the other hand, though, you can also think about the fundamentals, all right? But here you can see a lot of volume coming from some shady sources. But the fundamentals are good too. I mean, of course, this morning we were hit with some bad news about Evergrande. So that's that big real estate and just in general holding company in China. That's bad news. Conflux is one of the biggest China coins. It has some major partnerships there, as some of you might remember from spring last year. But also, there are signals that there are a lot of Chinese people in that, like the trading volume from OKX. So that's true, and we did get some positive news, for example, by some Chinese companies filing for Bitcoin ETFs in Hong Kong, etc. So that means that Hong Kong is opening up more for crypto, which means that there's a better chance for crypto in China, etc., etc. All right. So that is very much all true, and that's 100% also one of the reasons why Conflux is bullish. All right, so it's technically and fundamentally. And so then the big question is what's next? Because I also told you with the whole situation around the bankruptcy news that the fundamentals can really go both ways. I mean, they could also turn bearish very soon. So what I expect is that right now, I mean, Conflux is bullish. All right, if you look at the open interest, it's going up. We had a bit of a decrease in the last 3-4 hours, but that's fine. That happens sometimes. Also because we're at a strong resistance level, all right? We're at 25 cents. That's just a strong level. So what I expect is that we will find some resistance, all right? I expect CFX or Conflux, whatever, to drop down to this level right here, around 22.5 cents. So that means the area around it. So 23, 22 cents. I expect us to get there, and then how it reacts to that level is absolutely crucial, because what we would want is that it finds support, that it holds this level. Wow, I can talk beautifully. That it holds this level, and that then the open interest starts building up again. Where it's dropping down now, we would want it to see it go up again. If that starts going up again, and for example, the volume increases even more, then we know that there's momentum, and that momentum is building up in this range so that we can actually break above 25 cents and get up towards 27.5 and 28 cents. This is the most bullish scenario. Well, the most bullish scenario would probably be just breaking above 25 cents and rallying up to 27.5 and 28 cents. That's true. But like I said, given the fact that the open interest is dialing back down a bit, and given the fact that we hit a major resistance level, I don't think that's most likely. At this moment, I do think that this is most likely. Now, even though I think this is most likely, I would not trade it yet. The only time I would trade Conflux is if we have already broken above 25 cents. All right, so I need that confirmation. Because frankly, like I said, I don't fully trust Conflux. And what could also happen, which is not what I think is most likely at this moment, but it is very, very realistic. What could also happen is that Conflux finds resistance here, drops down to that 22.5 cents area. And if then the open interest just keeps decreasing, like it's doing right now, I mean, maybe it will not ever recover, then we will find support still. But then it's just a matter of time before 22 cents breaks, and that will drop back down towards 20 cents, and that we're back in this major consolidation range right here. So both of those scenarios are a possibility. It just depends, and that's the most valuable thing you should take from this video. It depends on how we react to 22.5 cents. So wait for that, monitor the situation afterwards, and then make your decisions based on that. All right? those are my thoughts. That's what you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group if you're interested in CFX trades, for example. If I take them, I'll share them in there. But that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.